What's up, everyone? I'm Adam, the founder of FlowCog, and today I'm introducing FlowCog Canvas. This is a new, simple tool that is designed to show you your company's finances, both your past and your future. So first, when you open it, sign up for a free account. We have these templates over here. Let's say that we're a SaaS company. We're going to drag and drop that onto the canvas, and that's going to drop these blocks onto it. From here, what we can do is go into each one of these, edit and tweak the growth assumptions, and then see what our results are. If we open up service revenue, you can add different revenue streams here, the monthly amount, the growth rate, when it starts, when it ends, and then you'll see up here there's tabs for historical, for the projections of this block, and down here there is an area for integrations. If you want to connect either your QuickBooks or your Xero, you can do that. And FlowCog Canvas will take care of the rest. It'll pull all of that data in and organize it into the Canvas blocks for you. And then from there, what you do is you go to this outcome tab and you can see what the breakdown of your revenue and expenses looks like. If you want the actual profit and loss statement, you can go there. There's an export to Excel option. And then of course, when you enter in your cash balance, you can see how that changes over time as well and how much cash runway you have. So if we were to go back here and increase one of these expenses by quite a bit, eventually you're going to run out of money. In this case, where we run out of money after 14 months, we never hit break even, expenses keep growing and faster than revenue does. What we want to do is hone in on the key takeaways of this, which is what are the line items from a revenue or expense standpoint that move the needle the most. So traditionally with doing financial projections, a lot of folks try to capture every single detail. And that's fine if you have a whole team and you run a big company. But for most early stage companies, that's not going to be necessary. It's not going to be helpful to do that. And instead, you should just focus on what you can control and the big ticket items here. I hope that is a quick run through of FlowCog Canvas. And if you have any feature requests, please reach out to me at adam@flowcog.com. Thanks for watching.